Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the hardware and drivers so Freesync can work with your NVIDIA GPU. First, enable Adaptive Sync or Freesync in the monitor OSD and set the monitor to its native refresh. Once done, connect via DisplayPort 1, 2+ or a compatible HDMI port and update your NVIDIA drivers, then reboot. Open the NVIDIA control panel immediately after login so you can enable G-Sync compatibility. This initial sequence prevents negotiation errors and ensures the GPU and display speak the same. Now you'll enable and tune G-Sync compatibility in the NVIDIA control panel. Go to Setup G-Sync and check the Enable box, then pick full screen or windowed behavior based on how you run games. Make sure the correct monitor is selected and apply. Next, open Manage 3D Settings and prefer Adaptive Sync behavior. Leave VSync off in-game if using G-Sync, or enable VSync in the driver to cap tearing when frame rate exceeds refresh. These steps reduce tearing and minimize stutter by aligning GPU output with display refresh. Finish by validating behavior in real use. Run a game that varies frame rate and enable an FPS cap just below the monitor's max to prevent going beyond the adaptive range. Once done, adjust per-game settings for smoothness. If problems appear, try simple fixes. Toggle the G-Sync mode between windowed and full screen, swap to a DisplayPort cable, or disable HDR, which can break adaptive sync. If nothing helps, update monitor firmware or reset the monitor OSD. That single troubleshooting action resolves most handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.